In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the wiper blades on this Nissan Pathfinder. The one for the driver's side will attach the same way as the passenger side, but they are not the same length. The driver's side is a 26-inch blade, whereas the passenger side is a 17-inch blade. Let's get started. First, lift your wiper arm in the straight up position. It should want to stay. On these particular wipers that the vehicle already has, you're supposed to pry up on this little cap. There we go. Maybe yours does not have that, so in that case, skip this step. And then over here, we have to pry down on this tab and then pull down on the wiper blade itself. This should release the wiper. There we go. Slide it down and out. Do not let go of this arm. If you do and it smacks the windshield, it will most likely break the windshield. Set your old wiper down and take your new wiper blade, hook it up and over, pull it until it clicks. If you pull down on it, it should not come off. At this point, I'm going to remove this white protective piece on the blade itself. That is just for shipping. Do not use that on the windshield. Lay down the wiper blade. Now you would do the same to the passenger side wiper blade.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.